Good morning, Philippines.
I said another day, another vlog. I just say that, guys, but my thing is just died. Look what happened, guys. He's doing something. He is making meatballs. Good morning. And he's using this wobbly pen.
Yeah, because I grabbed the wrong one. I wanted to keep following. I didn't realize that was on in there.
Yep. And this is what he did. He's making the leftover of his tacos meat. And he just cooked it. Look at him. Good morning, everything. Morning, honey.
Morning, guys.
I look for a barber shop, guys, because I really want him to cut his hair.
Because you don't want to cut the package. They're not open yet.
Yeah, they're not open. Can I just even trim it? He doesn't want me.
I've seen your handiwork.
Ay, Han. It's a different story. That's it. Uy!
Quiet, quiet. Who's making these? You or me?
Don't quite me.
Quiet.
I'm not showing you me yet because I feel crappy. I look crappy too.
But you're showing me looking crap. That's okay.
Look at him. Yeah, it's early in the morning. Pero yun yung ano niya gawa. And yeah, lalabas ako para mag-cut ng backyard. He's busy. So you guys, please like and subscribe, guys. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please, if you want. Always busy man na siya. Eh. Ganyan talaga yan siya, guys, kapag may ginagawa. Palagi yung ano, maraming nilalagay. Tignan nyo naman yan. He will cook it and put it in the freezer, right? Yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go and then I'll go outside. I think the grass is dried. Next thing here, all he need to do is like this. Oh, roll, roll, roll. Alligator roll.
Don't worry, I covered. I'm covered.
You cover it? You don't cover this.
I got it covered.
You get it covered. Ay, nako. Okay, guys, I will see you later. Hi, guys. Lunchtime na, guys. Yung kakainin ko is yung lauoy. Bulang lang.
Every time what?
Every time I take it out the SD card and put it back, it's always memory error. I don't understand. And then I have to take it out, put it back in. So, sumakit na yung puson ko, guys, kaya kain tayo, then mag-take tayo ng Aleve. Kasi, kapag masakit talaga yung ano ko, sobrang sakit talaga. So, yun siya. So, ito yung kakainin natin, lauoy. Sinagulan, nilagyan ko pala din siya ng sardines. Same pa rin yung damit, katulad ngayon. Anyway, so, pasensya na, guys, ha. Wala talagang ganang palagi naman lang ako ganito, pero ito talaga yung life. And sa bahay lang ako. Kapapasok ko lang, nag-add ako ng soil doon sa inad ko na garden. May storm ngayong araw. Yes, yun ang sabi. May storm daw ngayon. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-cut ng grass, hindi ko makat. Ang sakit ng katawan ko ngayon, ang sakit ng puson. Okay, kaya pasensya na, guys, sa ano talaga. Oy, nag-start na yung ulan. Hangin din. It's raining already, Han. Yeah, a little bit. Sprinkle it. Oh, it's so good. Oh my God, ang sarap. Han, it's so good, honey. Leftover, Han. Why is it leftover always good, honey?
More time to
Did you notice that?
Yeah.
It's everything. It's not just
more
specific.
flavor. More flavorful.
Hintayin ko lang yung asawa ko, guys. Bulang lang po ba ito? Ewan ko kung saan yun galing yung bulang lang. Ilocano ba yung bulang lang? Ano po ito sa Tagalog, guys? Itong lauoy or bulang lang. Sa Cebu kasi, sa Bisaya kasi, utan po ito. Oten. Oten.
Oh, 9.
Oh, 9.
Oh, wait. Oh, 7. You count that.
So, yun po siya. Utan po ito sa Cebu, Bisaya. Pero sa amin, sa Mindanao, even though we're Bisaya, we called it lauoy. Iwan ko kung bakit tinatawag nila itong otan. Otan. My husband doesn't have any freaking clue. Han, hurry up, Han. I'm lobat, Han.
What does that mean? What do you have to do with me? You want me to get you a replacement battery?
Ang sarap, no? Ang sarap, guys. Ay. Pag tumubo na talaga yung mga ano ko, guys, na magluto talaga ako, guys, na ganito palagi. Yung sardine, ang sarap.
My smile's yellowish. Or did you need salt and pepper?
No, I don't need that. So good, Han. Nakaano po tayo, nakaligo na. Ang sarap ng feeling kapag makaligo, di ba? And umalis si Tami, pumunta lang sa post office. May inano lang, pero may ipakita ko sa inyo. Tignan nyo tong dalawa, guys. Andun sa kama ng aso. Tignan mo, tulog na tulog yung dalawa. You guys get along now very well, huh? Well, they get along. Sometimes Hubs become like annoying. Look how comfortable they are. Naliligo ako, guys, kahit masakit yung puson. Nag-take na ako ng alib, pero sa masakit pa rin. Iwan ko na lang. Ngayon, maghanap tayo dito ng makakain. Alam nyo ba? Isda na naman tayo. Salmon. Hanap tayo ng salmon. Ay, naku. Wala ng salmon dito. Ay, hindi pala salmon. Ano pala? Tilapia yung ipakain ko kay Tami. Ako, okay lang ako kasi meron naman akong gulay. Saka busog ako din. And busog or ano lang ito, bloated lang talaga. Kumain ako ng marami kanina, di ba? So, lutuan ko lang si Tami ng tilapia with gulay. Yan. I think hindi na ako magluto, guys. You know, alam nyo, meron naman kasing ano, hindi na pala ako magluto. May chicken na pala. Kakain lang kami ng chicken at saka yung leftover. Okay na. Pasensya na, guys, ha. Wala ako masyadong vlog ngayong araw. Kasi pagising ko talaga, late akong nagising, mga 7 something. Kasi yung ano ko, pakiramdam ko, hindi okay. Kasi alamero na tayo. Parating na si Tami kanina, mga 30 minutes ago. Anong sabi niya, mag-cut daw siya ng graso ngayon. Lumabas siya. Pakita ko sa inyo. Mag-cut siya ng grass. Mag-cut siya ng grass. Ako naman, sabi ko sa kanya, wag na. Gusto niyang mag-cut, guys. So, akala kasi namin, akala namin uulan, saka stormy. Hindi pala. Ito po yung asawa. Kailangan kong mag-spray. Talaga namin uulan, so bagyo-bagyo, ganon-ganon. Wala naman. Mag-harvest tayo ng lettuce. Harvest na naman tayo, guys. Litos. Hugasan lang natin ng hugasan. Kasi may mga insekto. Ganon. Very ano pala itong dahon na to, sensitive. No? Si Tami, sinira yung lawnmower namin. Na-open yung harapan kasi ang ano, careless talaga tong tauhanang to, taong to. I-add ko to sa salad ni Tami. Ito siya. Fresh salad, guys. Yung iba is from the garden. Ang galing dito sa garden is yung radish. At saka itong kain na salad. Yep. Na litos. Anyway. And then ito din. Ito yung gusto ko din. Talaga. Gustong gusto ko yan. And chicken. So, yun yung kakainin namin. Yun lang. Chicken salad. Gulay-gulay. Hi guys! Ito guys, insert tayo. Yung pala, nakalimutan kong mag-shoutout. Meron pala akong i-shoutout sa mga... Hi baby! So, ito yung i-shoutout ko sa last na naka-premiere yung vlog ko. Nung naka-live, naka-premiere siya. Nagsasabi akong i-shoutout ko yung andun, diba? So, i-shoutout ko sina... Hala, bintang makita ko. Okay, i-shoutout ko yung na-screenshot ko. Si Janet Rose De Vera, Jane Eugenio, Tachis Channel, at saka Sheila Apostol, at saka sina Ilvi Baisa. Sino pa yung na-screenshot ko dito? Si DC Malaka, and sina mas gwapo ako. Mas gwapo ako, Lisel Arganti, Mary Okoro, and also meron po akong babasahin na merong nag-comment, hindi ko na pangalanan, okay? Sabi pa dito, mahirap pala ang mag-asawa ng foreigner at lahat ng trabaho ikaw ang gagawa. Well, alam nyo, kapag pumunta ka na dito, kapag mag-asawa ka ng foreigner, Australian, American, British, whatever is that, German, wherever you go, iba na kapag mag-asawa ka na, dapat hindi lahat ito, okay? Hindi lahat na mag-asawa ng foreigner is ganon. Ako, kasi iba-iba tayo ng story, iba-iba tayong ganaps ng buhay. So, ako naman, dahil andito ako sa bahay, dahil gusto kong gumawa ng mga bahay-bahay, mga gawaing lahat, gusto kong gumawa. At kung andito man yung si Tami, gusto kong tulungan palagi siya, ganun-ganon. Yung case ko is gusto kong talagang may gagawin, katulad ng mag-cut ng grass, mag-cut dito, mag-cut doon. Gusto ko yun, willing ko. Kung hindi ko naman siya gagawin, yung asawa ko hindi naman magagalit. Pero, kung siya yung gagawa at saka tignan-tignan ko na lang siya para wala akong pakialam sa buhay or wala akong pakialam na meron na tayong property, mga responsibility, kung meron na tayong bahay, yung responsibilidad, hindi lang natin ipasa sa partner natin, tulungan natin, wag lang natin tignan. Kung ayaw mo siyang tulungan, nasa sayo na yun. Pero mahirap naman yun kung titignan mo na lang yung asawa ka, magbuhay prinsesa ka na lang at wala kang gagawin, diba? So, sa case ko, gusto ko din gawin, okay? Gusto ko rin siyang gawin, so yun siya. Kasi mahirap parang, ano nga yan? Anong sabi ha? Mahirap pala ang mag-asawa ng foreigner, lahat ng trabaho ikaw ang gagawa. Hindi naman ako lahat. Pero noong wala dito yung asawa ko, yung pagtatrabaho sa mga yard namin, ako talaga, once a week yun. So ngayon na andito na siya, tulungan na lang kaming dalawa. So yun lang naman, tulungan. Pero kung marami kang pera, gusto mo ng maid, gusto mo ng gardener, halos lahat tao dito may gardener. And mostly sa mga countryside dito sa amin, yung mga may-ari ng bahay talaga yung nagkakat ng grass nila. Pero kapag doon ka sa bahay, like sa bahay ng biyanan ko, may mga talaga, yung mga bahay doon, hindi sila yung nagtatrabaho ng yard nila. May mga gardener talaga sila. Dito lang ako nakakita ng yung may-ari ng bahay yung ng loan nila, nag-aalaga. Kasi, nasa countryside ka, malaki, and kung meron kang time, ikaw na lang. Pero sa city is kailangan talagang may gardening. So, yun siya guys. Hindi na mahirap. So, she's right here beside me. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And oil filter.
What? Anything has oil has a filter.
Umuulan guys. Look, Roxy's afraid. Look at that face. Hey, Roxy. Hala, oy. You keep rolling it. You're gonna hit my thing. Ilab dito lang ito sa labas guys. Hindi ko na ito ipasok. Para naman masanay sa temperature pa bago-bago ba. Kasi alam nyo na. It's raining. Thunder a little bit, right?
One was right, one was wrong.
A what?
One was right, one was wrong.
That's what you said.
That's what you said.
That's what you said. I said it's not going to rain tomorrow, not
You said
tonight.
It's not going to rain. I said, this way, it rains tonight. We can put our seeds on tomorrow. He goes, no, it's not going to rain. So just leave everything for tomorrow.
Oh yeah, here it is raining.
May thunder guys, may ano pa. Dalugdog, kung sa Bisaya pa dalugdog. Kung sa Tagalog dalugdag. Kung sa Tagalog pa yun guys, dalugdag. Rehan, dalugdag.
Yeah, the dog is dog, the dog is dog. The dog's a dog.
Come here na, come in. Come in baby.
The dog's a dog.
So ngayon, ang mga pagbabaga ng mga balita. Han, I gained a lot of weight. I noticed that in my vlog. It's just like every day, every week, it's a weight gaining. It is 10 o'clock na ng gabi. 10 o'clock na guys. Close that door because there's a witch outside. Yung ano ko guys, nandun sa labas. Let me see if it's okay. Okay naman sila. Hindi man close open yung dahon. I think it looks fine. It's fine, right, Han? My lime out there. Yeah, you can. You do it because you're smoking out anyway. Not me. Matutulog na kami kasi 10 o'clock na ng gabi. Yun yung buhay-buhay natin, guys. And also, alam niyo ba na masama yung pakiramdam mo ngayong araw? Nag-take ako ng alib 2 beses. And kasi sobrang sakit. Tingnan niyo. Yan yung transplant ko doon, oh. Scallion, sili, at saka may tomato yun 2. Ito siya. Nilagay ko lang sila dito. Hopefully ito. Alahan, oy, tignan hon. Look at the leaves and become white. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Wala masyadong ganap guys ha. Hindi ko na kayo pinakita guys kasi parang naboboard na kayo sa sa kagagarden. So, ipakita ko na lang sa inyo pag tumubo, malago na, ganun-ganun. Yun. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe at saka naka-like ng video. Thank you so much guys for clicking to watch this video. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Good night guys. Good night.
So goodbye.